Hello, this is Jonathan with Super Science, and today we're going to talk about cavitation. But wait a minute, what is cavitation? The bubbles coming off the edge of the propeller are actually filled with water vapor due to the low pressure. And when the gases turn back into a liquid and collapse, they send vibrations going through the water. So that's one example of cavitation in propellers. But what is another example? Another example of cavitation would be in your water pot. Okay, in your water pot, before it gets up to temperature, before it starts boiling, it will get all these little bubbles that are on the bottom. These little bubbles will go up and disappear. Why? Because they're cooling back down and turning back into a liquid. And then all that gas comes and collapses on itself, creating shock waves. But you can't really hear these shock waves when they are in your water pot. Why is that? Let's take a look.
Kind of quiet, isn't it? If you got any idea of why it got so many little white bubbles, please leave me a comment. Okay, this is what I'm getting at here. The bubbles are going up and disappearing. Let me get that for you in slow motion. Okay, watch it carefully. Okay guys, this is weird why it should make such a huge bubble. My theory is that water got trapped between the layers of the tea kettle. It built up pressure, releasing the water, that instantly turned into steam because it was superheated, resulting in making this bubble.
But you can't really hear these shock waves when they are in your water pot. Why is that?
Okay, you'll need tin foil and some sort of a cup.
So now we're going to take our sheet of tin foil and we're going to take and put the cup in the center of it, and then we're going to fold up the sides. So now we got the sides folded up. You got your cup now, and now we're going to have to trim off the excess. Now we're going to want to flatten out the sides of our cup and kind of flatten it out and fix the imperfections.
It is really important to get the bottom as flat as possible.
Now let's put some water in it.
Yikes, that wasn't supposed to happen.
Now because the walls of this cup here is so thin, we should be able to hear the implosion sounds of the steam collapsing in on itself. So yeah, this is a pretty interesting experiment. So now you can make it a lot louder. Just by making the walls of your container thinner, you can make it so you can hear it better.
This also works as a good prank to pull on one of your friends.
That was interesting.
The reason why this happened is because water was trapped underneath the cup.
Thank you for watching Super Science. I hope that you have enjoyed this and have learned something from it. If so, leave a like and comment. If you want to see similar things, please leave me a comment. Thank you for watching Super Science.